Most AI agents build websites that look like generic SaaS templates from 2022. This week's top repo finally fixes that. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today as we scan the cutting edge of open source. The energy on GitHub right now is absolutely electric. We are seeing a massive shift from simple chatbots to complex autonomous agent harnesses that actually get work done. Why? Because the tools are finally maturing. I've handpicked 8 repos that are dominating the star charts, from AI tutoring to decentralized IRC vibes. Let's jump right in. First up is Impeccable by pbakaus. It's a design language specifically for AI coding agents that just hit over 50,000 stars. Honestly, this project is a total game changer for front-end devs. It solves that annoying problem where every AI-generated site looks exactly the same with those purple gradients and rounded cards. It gives your AI a vocabulary of 23 specific design commands. The wild part? It includes 60 deterministic detector rules that audit your AI code in real time without needing an extra API key for the critique. It's purely about better design engineering. You just run a simple init command, and it sets up product and design guidelines for your agent. This ensures your AI understands your brand voice and component standards before it writes a single line. If you're tired of cleaning up sloppy AI CSS, you need to try this. It's the first step toward making AI an actually competent design partner instead of just a code generator. Next, we have the official claude-cookbooks from Anthropic. This repo has been absolutely blowing up lately as developers scramble to master the latest Claude features and coding skills. It's a huge collection of Jupyter notebooks that provide copy and paste recipes for everything from tool calling to advanced RAG. It's basically the gold standard for Claude prompt engineering. What I love is how practical these examples are. They aren't just toys. They show you how to build real-world applications that handle complex state and multi-step reasoning with ease. If you're new to the API, they even link to a full fundamentals course. It's unusual to see a corporate repo this community-focused, but the contributor energy here is just incredible. Whether you use Python or just want to understand the logic, this is a must-star for any AI engineer. It's the easiest way to see what the Anthropic team considers best practices. Moving away from AI for a second, let's look at bitchat-android. This is a secure decentralized messaging app that works over Bluetooth mesh networks with zero internet required. It has serious old-school IRC vibes, but with modern encryption. This is the Android port of the popular iOS version, and it maintains 100% protocol compatibility. The interesting part? It supports geohash channels. If you have internet, you can connect with people in your specific area, but the core mesh chat works completely off-grid. It's built with Kotlin, and it's totally serverless. No phone numbers, no trackers, just pure encrypted communication between devices. It's perfect for festivals, disasters, or just staying private. Just a heads up, the devs say it's still a work in progress and hasn't had a security audit yet. But for hobbyists and privacy nerds, this repo is a goldmine. Back to the agents with jcode. This is a high-performance coding agent harness written in Rust. It's designed to raise the skill ceiling for what AI can actually do in your terminal. What sets jcode apart is its focus on multi-session workflows and infinite customizability. It isn't just a wrapper. It's a full environment for managing agent memory and complex long-term tasks. The performance is noticeably better than standard Node.js-based agents. Because it's built in Rust, it handles massive file trees and multi-provider LLM calls without breaking a sweat. It also integrates with the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This means you can plug in custom tools and data sources effortlessly, making it way more flexible than your typical CLI agent. If you're a power user who wants more control over your AI coding workflow, jcode is definitely the one to watch. The community on their Discord is already huge and very active. Similarly, we have Pi from earendil-works. This is a unified toolkit for AI agents that includes an agent loop, a TUI, and a self-extensible coding agent CLI. Pi is built in TypeScript and focuses on being an all-in-one runtime. It provides a unified API for OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, so you can swap models mid-task if you need to. One of the coolest features is the interactive coding agent. You can actually ask the agent to explain its own codebase or extend its own skills while you're working with it. It's designed for developers who want to build their own custom agents but don't want to reinvent the wheel on tool calling and state management. The core package is very clean. The project is gaining massive traction because it's so easy to get started with. If you're building a commercial agent product, the PyAgent core is an incredible foundation to start from. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all these tools, you need to check out AI Engineering from Scratch. It's a massive reference manual with over 500 lessons on building AI stuff. The creator, Rohit G, is the person behind Agent Memory, so you know the content is high quality. It covers 20 different phases from Python basics to swarm intelligence and transformers. The goal is to move beyond just using tools and actually understand the underlying engineering. It's one of the most comprehensive free resources I've seen on the platform this year. It includes deep dives into computer vision, reinforcement learning, and even how to ship your models for others to use. It's basically a university degree in a single repo. With 43,000 stars and counting, the community has clearly spoken. This is the place to be if you want to level up your technical understanding of the AI boom. DeepTutor by the HKUDS team is another fascinating project. It's a lifelong personalized tutoring system powered by multi-agent systems and RAG. It's truly interactive learning at scale. Instead of just answering questions, it acts as a mentor that remembers your progress and adjusts its teaching style. It's built on a foundation of deep research and interactive learning. It uses several specialized agents under the hood to handle different parts of the learning process. One might handle the explanation while another looks up external references to verify facts. The project homepage has some incredible demos showing how it can guide a student through complex topics over a long period. This is the future of individualized education, honestly. It's gaining almost 500 stars a day, which is wild for a research-focused project. If you're interested in multi-agent orchestration for education, you have to bookmark this one. Finally, we have Croc. This is a classic tool that's seeing a massive resurgence in the stars. It's the simplest and most secure way to send files between computers. What makes Croc special? It's one of the only CLI tools that works across Windows, Linux, Mac, and the browser using end-to-end encryption with zero config needed. You don't need to worry about port forwarding or finding your IP address. It uses a relay, so it just works, even if both computers are behind complex corporate firewalls. It's written in Go, which makes it incredibly fast and lightweight. It also supports resuming interrupted transfers and sending multiple files at once, which is a lifesaver. If you've ever struggled with AirDrop across different operating systems, Croc is exactly what you've been looking for. It's a permanent resident in my dev toolkit. That's it for today's trending repos. Massive thanks to all the contributors who keep building these incredible tools for us. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.